I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Here is the latest brochure that comes with it. A gorgeous, beautiful person right here on the booklet. And let's just dive in and see what's in there. Of course, we have the usual ads. The first thing I have in here is, oh my gosh, these are magnetic eyelashes. Look how pretty. This is a sign for me to finally just bite the bullet and try these magnetic lashes. It's from Tula Skincare. Gotta love Tula. And this is their So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I don't know if this is necessarily for the face. It could be for the body. It's under their Balanced Skincare line. Probiotics and superfoods. Tula Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. The retail price for this bad boy is $32 US. And this delightful sugar scrub has won an Allure Best of Beauty Award because it's great for exfoliating all skin types, even sensitive ones. And as a bonus, it smells like a day at the beach. The sugar crystals melt away as you exfoliate, leaving behind smoother, softer skin. And with regular use, your complexion will look more radiant and your pores may even seem to shrink. I don't know, again, about putting it on my face. I would possibly do a trial run, but any kind of anything, it's like an irritant, and you have to be very careful with the skin. You don't want to create something like micro tears in the skin. So with that note, I'm on the fence about using it, but I love Tula. I will show you what it looks like as far as the packaging. Oh, that beautiful cool blue color that I've come to adore. I have their cleanser. It's amazing. I love the cleanser. It thoroughly cleanses. So this is good, you know, maybe if your skin is feeling a little bit yucky, like that you feel like it needs like an exfoliation. This is not something that I would do every day or every week. But this may come in handy if you feel like your skin is looking too sallow and it's just not radiant and it needs help with, you know, slowing off that dead skin. This is when that might come in handy. The next thing in here is from Esker, and this has juniper, palmarosa, lavender, rose geranium, and grapefruit. This is a firming oil. What? Never heard of this brand, but this is the packaging. And what I love about Allure is that they don't always send me like the same brands. They'll have me try. Just opening the box, I got this terrific plant flower smell. So this seems like the real deal to me as far as what they claim to have in it. Oh, it smells so nice. Almost smells like the essential oils that you would smell in those health places. Oh, it smells so nice. And this is supposed to firm. I'm assuming it's to firm the neck or maybe the face, but this is glass, so be careful not to drop it. And it's a dropper, so that's nice. And the scent is incredible. Again, if you're not into any kind of scents, even if they're natural plant flower-like scents, this may not be for you. But I'm gonna look in the catalog to see what it says, and it reads here as follows. Esker Firming Oil. Summer's the best time of year for body oils, and this particular blend of rose geranium, grapefruit, lavender, and juniper oils delivers skin that's deeply hydrated and glowing all day long. Okay. The fresh floral citrusy scent is energizing and pairs well with most summer fragrances. So they say to massage a little bit right after a shower when skin is just slightly damp. It can get to work faster. A little bit on your limbs, shoulders, and ash-prone areas like knees, you know, elbows, ankles, delivers a goddess-like glow. The price for this for 2 ounces is $40 US. Yep. I shall treasure this. Here looks like something that I have received before, like months back, and this is from Biossance, and this is their Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. I think this is for the eyes, but I shall look it up. That other, oh my god, that Esker thing, that smells so good. Okay, so it comes with a little card, and this is the container. It looks very earthy, very in my background. Let's see what this does, shall we, real quick? Yeah. So it's Biossance Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. Why you'll love it. Packed with super hydrators, squalene, ceramides, omega fatty acids. This gel cream is a big calming hug for your skin. The texture is light and fluffy like a cloud and absolutely heavenly. After cleansing, smooth a hefty dollop from your hairline down. Oh, so it is on your face. It's great for your face and neck and dries almost instantly, so there's no residue. It is how much? $58 for 1.6 ounces. Is this 1.6 ounces? I wonder. No, this is a baby size. This is only a 0.5 or 0.3. Yes, 0.5 ounces. So imagine that. So something obviously bigger than this. Comes with a lid. I'm gonna put some on now, shoot. Oh my gosh, it is thick. That baby is thick. That's what I'm saying. Look at this. What? What a peek. Love it. Love, love, love. And I tend to just take it right off here. Let me say start at the hairline, right? Felt something there. All right. Then we just do that and we... Oh, it has a... Interestingly, I got a fishy smell. It's really odd. It smells like codfish. I got like a scent of cod. And it was strong for just like the first 20 seconds. And now it seems to have faded. But yeah, isn't that interesting? It smelled like cod. I showed you the lashes before. This is the liner. Right? Yep. Yeah, this is the liner. Okay, good to know. So they're not together. Okay. I already told you the price of this. So. Looks like a regular liner to me. And this is the liner. This is a little rather sexy looking packaging. Kind of reminds me of the Grande lash one. It comes in that similar kind of packaging. In here is from Tint, T-Y-N-T. Let's see what this bad boy is about. Okay, it's a brow gel. I don't use brow gels, but I do know people who do, so I will pass this on. This is a clear eye gel from the company called TYNT. A few swipes of this clear gel is just the thing for setting and shaping brows after you fill them in, which in turn can make brows look fuller. It also works wonders on its own because it's transparent. It can make your brows look thicker without seemingly drawn on, and you never have to wonder if you found the right shade. Brushing up your brows with clear gel makes you look awake and polished, and your eyes look more open. Okay, so as you may or may not know if you follow my channel, I don't paint in my brows. I don't draw in my brows. The brows you see are the brows I have. All I do is wax them to get rid of the strays, because you know it still grows back in here and here and somewhere around here. So I'll go in to get a touch-up every few weeks where it goes like that, and I'm done. I tried the threading routine. It was just way too painful, and my skin tends to react very easily as far as like being poked at or prodded at, and I would just, not that I don't go and get red with the waxing, but the waxing is faster, does it in one shot. And if there are any strays, you just pick them off 1, 2, 3 with, you know, with a little tweezer. I put, you know, something to calm them down, and I'm done. Then I'll have to see the lady for another several weeks. So yeah, what you see here is not drawn. This is all real. You know, I don't even know if I said how much these little bad boys were. This is $14. I'll probably give this to my mom. She likes to, you know, make them look nice, her brows, and you know, me, I just do this and with my finger and I'm done. I don't, but she'll like this. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Comes in this cute, unassuming container. And my hands are a little slippery because I just, but you see what I mean. Okay, and I have a couple of extras here. First and foremost, it looks like this is a perfume. It's called Good Fortune from Victor and Rolf. I have a couple of their sample perfumes, like Flower Bomb. I think they're the ones that do that one. That was delicious. It smells so good. I have like a sample, and I treasure it, and I dole it out a little at a time. So I'm really excited to see this one, Good Fortune. Just gonna open it like so you can see that it's a definite sample, and that bottle looks very good. Since I don't have smell-o-vision yet on my YouTube channel, I'm just going to show you a little sample. What does it smell like? It looks like it has a little spray. So ooh, oh yeah, this is something I think I could wear. What are those notes? I'll put in the description here what the notes are. It smelled slightly familiar, almost like a, oh wait, now the scent is changing. Now it's smelling slightly lighter and sweeter. Because at first it came out a little too strong, but now it's, And finally, what I see here is a sample of this product right here. And I'll tell you what this is. This is from Sephora. This is the Sephora Collection Clean Skin Gel Cleanser with prebiotics. I wonder if I've had this before. Usually facial cleansers are gentle or they take off your makeup, but this gel formula is the best of both worlds. It easily removes a full face of makeup, mascara included, it says, without any scrubbing, tugging at lashes, or post-cleanser cleanup required. The silky aloe-infused formula also leaves skin softer, cleaner, and smoother. Soothed, actually. It's helped clear redness and dry patches with continuous use, and it's made a world of difference in the feel of the skin of this editor, Gutierrez. With results like these, you won't want to skip a facial cleanse. So you rub the cleanser onto damp skin, let it sit for a minute to work its magic, and then rinse the face wash along with any traces of makeup away. The retail price for the full size is $12 US. It doesn't tell me what the full size is. I'm assuming it's at least an ounce. No, it doesn't tell me. But here you go. $12 for this, so it has to be like an ounce or two, and it's from the Sephora collection. Pretty cool. What did I think? I would say great on the skincare options. I would have loved to have gotten though. The lashes are pretty cool. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna get my gumption up and try it. But it would have been nice to have gotten a lipstick or something that's a double use that you can use as a blush on your lip, or even a liner. I mean, they gave the mascara, not the mascara, the lashes, so I get that. And overall, I would say this is pretty cool. I would love to have gotten something for hair care though. Love skincare though. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to be diving into everything. The exfoliant, again, like I say, I put an asterisk next to it because I don't use a scrubber every day, every week. If I use it once a month, it's too much. Simply because the little pieces that are in there, whether they're, you know, bits of sugar or diamonds, it's gonna cause little micro tears in your skin, which invite bacteria, which invite issues later with, you know, infections, acne, scarring, and I'm trying to avoid all that. The skin in this area is very, very delicate. So I treat it with as much kindness as I can. And if I have to do a really deep cleansing, then I will grit my teeth and use this sparingly to try to exfoliate what looks to be a little too dull, or I just break out a clay mask and that takes up all the oils and dirt that may be deeply embedded in my skin. So I'm happy. I can't wait to try everything else on those lashes. Ooh, that's gonna be something. That will be in an upcoming video, I promise. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you an Allure Beauty Box subscriber? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me on my latest makeup unboxing, and I will see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.